Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button. Today we're going to the farm. What will I wear today? This one? Or this one? Now let's fix and organize before leaving the room. Look at my briefcase, it has something special on it. Can you guess? It's a gem. Yay! Where will I put this? On my bed? Or under my bed? Whoops! I forgot to return this red jacket. Now let's just return this gem on the cabinet. Let's close the curtain so nobody can see my gem. Hee hee! I'll just have a quick wash. Hi, brother. What are you doing? Are you going to sleep or play? Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. What's for breakfast? What are you cooking, Grandma? I bet that's delicious. Yum! Is that a fish, a chicken, and hot dogs? Wow, all of my favorite. My grandma is a great cook. How about you guys? What's your favorite dish that your grandma cooks for you? Comment down below. I love my grandma so much. I will show you guys what our farm-to-table foods here. Lots of vegetables and fruits, and they are all fresh from the farm. Now let's go outside. Here is my favorite spot. I love to play some instruments like this one. I know how to play guitar. How about you guys? What's your instrument? This one or this violin? Comment down below your favorite musical instrument. And don't forget to like and subscribe me, guys. Now let's walk through the farm, guys. Let me show you our fruit-bearing trees. Like this one, let's pick the fruits. Wow! Cherries and apple trees. This is my chicken. Her name is Mahana. These apples are so sweet. Yum! Keep on playing, you guys. Let's return Mahana to her nest so she lays egg. I love eggs. Now let's have some rest here with my avocado friend. Till next time, you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming Toca Boca videos. Bye.